unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Squeaking noises from pet rats can indicate various things. Often, it signifies excitement, fear, or communication with other rats. Additionally, it can be a sign of distress or health issues. Ensure their environment is comforting and check for potential health concerns. If the squeaking persists, it may be wise to consult a veterinarian to rule out medical problems.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.